$82 an ounce. Within the next 72 months, all things being equal, this pattern continuing if it does, okay? So there you have it. Now, as for volatility currently, bringing it back to today, gold spot closed above the lower band by 37.1%. As for the security being in play for Thursday, it is in play for Thursday. Under Pandora's little black box, we do have a long entry as a third pulse wave is still under development. The long entry is for to go long at 12:26.31. The initial profit target is 21:12.47, and the stop and reverse is at 11:55.02. We also have a possible first pulse wave consolidation breakout that we're watching, and that's a long entry at 1196.66. Initial profit target is $1,323.09, and our stop loss is 1,155.02. So the first thing we're going to watch is this first pulse wave consolidation breakout to occur, and if filled, we'll still look for the third pulse wave. Now, these orders, these entry points, they die at today's close, the 4 o'clock close. If they're not filled by 4 o'clock Eastern Standard Time on Thursday, then those orders are dead, and we have to look for, see what happens tomorrow. Okay, so that's it on the gold spot. Hope this helps a little bit to explain a little bit of where we've been. And if I pull this back, you can see how this gold has moved in the past. Notice how we have these extreme spikes and then these extreme sell-offs. So it's possible that you could have gold go up to, like here, back on March the 21st of 08, we hit 1032.36, but then by the time we got down to October 24th of 08, we were down at 680.84. So it can pull back hundreds of dollars. It still remained the overall trend intact, as you can see, rally. So this market can crash and rally at the same time. So what you really want to see is for the trend to really hold and take effect. Like back in 05, as you can see this chart, see how we just really broke out and just rallied, and see how the trend is staying intact, staying above the Kumo cloud. See what I'm saying? That's a solid trend. We ran into trouble once we hit the end of 08 when the market crashed in 08. Remember that? Remember how that happened? Well, gold crashed first. And then, as you can see, it continued to move in sympathy with the stock market back then. It crashed along with it. So gold has a history of crashing with the market's crashes. One other note, and then I'll leave it at this. You got to remember this. This market is under extreme manipulation, so it's not really moving the way it should. So anything can happen. I've made prior videos stating that don't be surprised if they crash gold and silver along with the stock market. That's still possible. I mean, regardless of the fundamentals. I know what the fundamentals say. The fundamentals say that technically gold should be at $10,000 an ounce because every government on the face of the earth is insolvent. So I understand that. I really do. And I understand that, gold and silver is money and nothing else. I understand all those fundamental facts. I know the history behind it. I understand all of that. And all you guys, all you gold bugs, you're right. You're right to hold your beliefs and your positions and accumulating the coins and the bullion and all that. You're right for doing that. I'm not saying you guys are doing anything wrong. What I'm saying is that the powers that be have an agenda, and they might thwart your plans. That's all I'm saying. So I'm just warning everyone. I'm just trying to warn you guys as best you can. I don't want to discourage anybody, but I am warning you that sometimes markets, especially when they're being manipulated, they don't move with the fundamentals at all. There's a total decoupling of reality versus what a market should be doing. So if they want to manipulate this thing, they can. They've already proven it. So I just caution everyone, okay? Proceed with caution. Remember, take what you can, give nothing back. There's nothing wrong with taking profit off the table. If this thing starts to gain legs and rally again, you can always buy back in. But you're going to want to cash out your positions so that you can at least walk away with some dough. Those of you who are trading the market part of it. Those of you who have the gold, coins, and bullion, you can ignore that last statement. Those of you who are long the gold spot or the GLD ETF or the GDX gold miners, go ahead and take some profit off the table. You can always get back in, okay? Peace out.